Guys, welcome back to the channel. It's good to see you all again. As always, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only, so let's be entertained. Wanted to look into HYMC, Hycroft Mining. We've touched on it a little bit before, and we had some news come out today. Just wanted to pop in, look at the charts, look at the Ortex. It's not highly shorted, which is good to see, actually. I hate being in all kinds of manipulated plays, talking about manipulated plays. Estimated short interest percent of the free float sitting at 4.74. Perfectly fine to me. Not everything has to be a short squeeze. Not everything has to be crazy and painful and long and boring. We just want to find some good companies that we can just hang on to and go ahead and invest in and see what happens. But I like the news that came out. Hycroft Mining eyes higher grade opportunities, launches largest exploration program in nearly a decade. So why were they able to do that? Well, we know that AMC, they pump some money in, they're a shareholder, and then we also know that there's a lot of interest from probably the apes that jumped into Hycroft Mining as well, and so they got a little bit of money, a little bit of backing, and they're able to actually do something now. They have enough money, it costs money to do the explorations, and they're saying, hey, we have money now, so we're going to go ahead and do some exploration, see what we can find. Let's hope that they can find something good. We know if they find more gold, more silver, then obviously that's going to be able to impact the prices, which we want to see. As of right now, it was getting down here in a little bit of questionable territory in the low to mid 90-cent range, but having a little bit of good news actually seems to thankfully helped it get back above that dollar range. We want to see it hold above that dollar. Right now it's making some beautiful trends. It's trending very nicely, and that's what we like. It doesn't have to be crazy moves. It can even be algorithmic almost. I don't care, as long as it's trending in the direction that I want to play it. I am perfectly fine with that. And we got the money, we got the news, so let's see where it goes from there. I don't talk much on AMC. That market is already flooded with plenty of YouTube creators, but since HYMC and AMC are tied together, I'm also watching this beautiful trend that AMC is on. We got Max Payne, I think, around $14.50. We're sitting plenty higher above that, which is nice to see. It's right here. These are my levels. 1685 would have been a breakout. We saw it tap it, get rejected, but that's fine as long as it holds up on this trend line, in my opinion. Next stop, 1829. I would love to see it get above there as far as AMC goes, and then I think we have a lot of room to run if we can break and hold out of that $18.29. In my opinion, that's almost an easy $5 move from there. So would love to see it. We got some nice bigger channels. We played around down here for long enough, and once it gets up here, it's gonna be a whole lot easier to run, because it's kind of gonna be no man's land that we haven't been in for quite a while. I mean, there are gonna be some other stops. You can see them in the charts somewhere around 20 bucks. We'll call it psychological level of 20 bucks. Get over that, but from 20 bucks, I think we got a good run there. So I just wanted to touch on AMC while I had HYMC pulled up. But all in all, nice to see it get back over $1, and let's see how this trend line continues to hold out. Let's see what the exploration brings, if they're gonna be able to find some more gold and silver, and what that's actually going to do to the price. I think they're gonna get a little bit of sympathy play if AMC and GME continue to run. Just being thrown in probably to the basket of meme stocks one way or another, whether they like it or not. I think they got included the second that AMC took a position here. So we're going to see what happens. I do hold a little bit of this, and I think I will continue to, because why not? I don't have any gold or silver miners in my portfolio, and if it's something that we just want to see what happens, I got some meme stocks anyway, might as well have another one. So that's where I sit. I can't tell you what to do. Buy, sell, do whatever you want. It's your accounts, it's your money, it's your call in the end. But thank you guys for coming back, watching another one. I will be back and talk to you guys all about this whenever we get a little bit more news and see what happens there. If you don't mind, you can drop a like. You can always subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the updates. As always, stay golden, people, and may your accounts stay green.